In this video, I'll show you how to manage multiple accounts in Meta Business Suite step by step. If you manage more than one business, Facebook page, or client account, Meta Business Suite lets you switch between them from one dashboard. First, open the Meta Business Suite app or visit the Meta Business Suite website in your web browser. Sign in with the Facebook account that has access to all your businesses. Once you're on the dashboard, tap or click the business selector at the top of the screen. You'll see a list of all the business portfolios and Facebook pages you have permission to manage. Select the business account you want to work on, and Meta Business Suite will switch to that account automatically. From there, you can create posts, reply to messages, manage ads, check insights, and access business settings for the selected business. To manage another account, simply open the business selector again and choose a different business. If you don't see one of your accounts, make sure you've been added to that business manager with the correct permissions. That's how you can easily manage multiple accounts in Meta Business Suite from one place. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.